Morning, best friends. Oh, is it afternoon? Hold on. It's afternoon. So today is a super basic day. It is super gloomy and dark outside, as y'all can see. But I got some curtains. So these are the curtains. And we are going to put these in the guest bathroom. So I'm about to show y'all what I picked up. But these though, it's a thing. Like, hold on. Girl, it's a thing. So low-key nothing's really done in here yet. But Maurice has already started priming the walls. I just picked up the cabinet paint. Hold on, let me go get it. This is the cabinet paint. And this is gonna be so pretty. Let me zoom in. Come on. Come on. There it goes. So it is pure black and a high gloss enamel. It was between this or pink and this one. So I feel judged. I do feel like, you know, we could have did pink, but everybody gotta be a hater. So I have a couple more accessories to decorate this space with. These are definitely coming down. I'm not sure what I'm going to replace them with, but people technically know that this is the bathroom after they see this. So we gonna find out together what I figure out. So I still have a few things that need touch up, like this god-awful vanity light. I do want to replace the mirror in this bathroom, but I do love how these boxes came out that my husband did in here. It's so pretty. I still have no idea what I'm going to put on the guest bathroom door. Also, I am not clear what I'm going to put over the toilet. I don't know if I want to put shelving and decorate the shelving. But this hardware, I actually found it at Hobby Lobby about 3 years ago. I want to say I paid $1.50 per. And I highly recommend going to Hobby Lobby for hardware because it's cute. I love the black paint. My husband said that it felt like tar to him, but just look at that color story. Like it speaks to me. It speaks volumes. These are just some basic grommet curtains that I found at HomeGoods. Yes, with on a tension rod. Because this is a guest bathroom, it worked itself out. I hope you guys enjoyed this small bathroom update, and I hope you guys have a great day.